It's all fun and games until you realize na August na next week. Ang bilis ng buwan, as in halfway through the year na, literal. So guys, today let's get ready. And while getting ready, I wanted to do a little mid-year check-in with you guys. Kasi early this year, I actually wrote down 5 personal goals and ang tagal ko na itong hindi nabalikan. So let's see kung may natupad na ba ako dito o wala na rin. May nakasulat pa dito, dreams will come true. Alright, let me wash my face first kasi parang kanina hindi ko nahugasan yung mukha ko nung naliligo ako. But anyway, I'm going to use this hydrating facial wash from Hada Labo. In fairness naman dito sa facial wash na to, meron 2 types of hyaluronic acid tapos ultra fine yung foam niya, which gently removes dirt sa ating face without making my skin feel dry or irritated. Tapos gentle siya. So yun na nga, my first goal was to really fix my morning routine. Kasi nga, naniniwala ako, kapag maayos ang simula ng araw mo, hindi ka natatamad din buong araw. And just like doing my skincare, nakaka-help siya para, ma-establish yung araw ko. Alright, ano naman ang aking second goal? Ito, be smarter with my spendings. Naging smart nga ba ako sa aking mga spendings? But before that, maglalagay muna ako ng hydrating lotion. Napapanood nyo na to sa mga videos ko before. Ang dami may naging favorite nito kasi nga, meron siyang 5 kinds of hyaluronic acid. So it really hydrates and locks in all the moisture. So I usually use this under my makeup kapag meron akong flaky parts around here. So since I have combination skin, so at times oily yung dito ko, but dito super dry niya. So ito yung ginagamit ko. So yun nga, in terms of like spending, I'm trying to be more mindful, like no more impulsive buys. Kasi parang minsan hindi na justifiable yung deserve ko to. Girl, parang hindi mo na deserve kasi parang hindi mo naman gagamitin yan. So ayun, now I'm really trying to stick to products that really work. And in fairness naman, si Hada Labo, isa siya doon kasi hindi siya magiging worth it kung hindi ko masasaid yung kanilang facial wash last time. Which means, worth it yung bili ko. Ang smart ko doon. And then my third goal naman was to move more. Alam niyo bang sobrang motivated ko ng January, tapos parang biglang nawala around March? Nag-enroll pa ako ng gym. Tapos hulaan niyo until now, ilang beses pa lang ako nakakabalik ng gym. Like, alam niyo yun, it's all fun and games until you realize na August na next week. Ang bilis ng panahon, tapos nagabayad pa rin ako ng gym subscription ko. Actually, pinapayaman ko talaga yung kumpanya. Investor talaga ako. Okay, by the way, I'm sealing my skincare routine with this hydrating water gel. Perfect siya sa may mga normal to oily skin kasi nga meron siyang ceramides, vitamin B3, aloe vera, and other botanical ingredients. So ayan, ang bilis niya ma-absorb sa skin and it really leaves my skin feeling fresh and supple. Wala siyang greasy feeling. And then yung fourth goal ko naman is, tigilan ko yung pagiging overthinker and just post content. To be honest kasi, mahirap naman talaga maging full-time content creator. So kahit mahirap, I'm really pushing myself to do it anyway kasi masaya naman ako sa ginagawa ko. And then yung last goal ko naman is to spend more time with people that matter and also with myself. Like kahit gaano pa ako busy, I'm always finding a way to spend more time with my family kasi before talaga, nung araw-araw pa ako nag-work sa labas, kukunti yung time ko with my family. So now, I'm still, trying to learn how to be more present little by little. Okay, we're finally done with our makeup look. Very Japanese actress lang yung atake natin for today. But yes, that's it for our mini mid-year check-in with you guys. So kung hindi ka pa rin nakapag-reset lately, I think this is your sign. Kahit simpleng skincare routine lang yan or makeup look, go ituloy mo yan. Kasi I know, makatulong yan for you to feel more okay. And if you're dreaming of that soft, healthy, mochi skin, kahit may base makeup ka, I think you can start with Hada Labo kasi ang laking difference niya.